Hello everyone, and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of my Boxycharm for the month of January of 2019. So this is the first box for this year, and I'm excited to share you guys what I received. Some products I've already tried out. I've already have them on my face right now, so I'll let you know which one it is that they are. I'm just going to be doing unboxing. I'm not going to be doing try-ons. Let me know below which one you guys prefer. Do you guys prefer just unboxing, or you guys like the try-on? For today, it's just going to be an unboxing. If you're not familiar with what Boxycharm is, it is a subscription box that is $21 a month. You get 5 to 6 full-size products. They're usually pretty high-end brands. So far, I've been really enjoying my Boxycharm. I believe I've been getting it now for a whole year, and some boxes are better than others, but most of the time they're pretty good boxes. They most of the time come with one eyeshadow palette each box, and they're pretty good eyeshadow palettes. I've enjoyed most of them. I will also leave a link below just in case you guys are interested in signing up. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'm going to show you what I got for the month of January. So this is what the box will look like when you receive it. When you open it, it's going to come with a card inside, which will tell you what's included in the box. For this month, the theme is Boxy and Chill, and it's this really pretty like purpley type of thing. So the first thing that I see in my box is this eyeshadow palette, and this eyeshadow palette, it's by Tarte. It's a limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting eyeshadow palette volume 3. Dive into this vegan crease-free eyeshadow palette that features 7 highly reflective blush, micro shimmers, and 1 matte nude that serves as a perfect transition shade. This blendable and long-wear formula is enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants, helping to hydrate and protect the lids. And this one retails for $36. This is what the outside will look like. Super cute. That's the one that I have on my eyes today. I used this shade all over the lid, and I kind of used that one, which is the only matte, and I just kind of set it. Honestly, I don't think it's a transition shade. It didn't really show up much, so I don't know why they're calling it a transition shade. I kind of used it to set my lids because it was so light and not super pigmented. And then I used this one here. I used that one as an inner corner highlight. Let me kind of swatch some of them so you guys can kind of see what they look like. They're definitely more of a dry formula. They're not like the most reflective eyeshadows that I own, like definitely not. It is a pretty palette, but because it is mostly shimmers, I probably won't be reaching for it too much, because usually I like to do like transition shades and do like an outsider darker corner. That's the type of look that I usually go for, so this is not something that I can see myself using too much. But again, that's what I used on my lids today, and it worked because I used just one color all over the lid, so that kind of works. So if you're into that whole like one type of color look, then this might work for you. If you like to use different tones on your eyes, I don't know how well that would work out. Up next in the box, we got this one right here. This one is the $1 Billion Brows. This says that it's a universal brow pencil, specially and carefully formulated to work perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors. This self-sharpening pencil glides onto your brows without tugging or pulling your skin. The spoolie at the end makes for easy blending, and the smooth and creamy formula makes for easy application, and this one retails for $18. So this is the one that I put on my brows today, and as you guys can see, it applied nicely, but it's pretty creamy, so it makes it a little bit messy to apply, because when you're using the spoolie to kind of spread out the product, it kind of goes everywhere. So I don't know. So that's gonna be the shade right there of the brow product. I don't know if I would call this universal, because it's a pretty warm tone brown, and like for me it looks okay, but I usually go for more of a dark brown. This is more of a warm brown, so I don't see how this would be universal to everybody, because if you have pretty dark brows, this is gonna show through. But again, it's usable, and I'll probably use it up, but it's definitely very creamy. Not my most favorite formula, but it'll work, and I'll continue to use it. And the next product that I see in here is gonna be this one right here, and this one is by Ofra. It's a matte liquid pencil that delivers long-lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills in lips. The stunning pigment stays put all day with minimal transfer while maintaining a comfortable wear. Infused with vitamin A and antioxidants, your lips will look and feel healthy all day, and this one retails for $20. Ofra definitely makes one of my favorite matte lipstick formulas. I usually don't wear matte lipstick. I mean, as you guys can see, I'm wearing a lip gloss. That's one of my favorite things to wear on my lips. But if I do want to use a matte lipstick, Ofra is usually the one that I would go for, and Dose of Color. And the shade that I got for this one's going to be Miami Fever. They repackaged all their stuff, so now they all come in like this white packaging, so that's pretty cute. And this is what the shade will look like right here. So it's like a burnt orange type of shade. So that's a really pretty shade. And I don't think I have Miami Fever, so that's exciting to add this to my collection. And I'll definitely be using it. So that's going to be the shade right there. Next up in the box, we got this by Briogeo, and it's the Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave and Conditioning Spray. Effectively restore your hair's soft manageability, moisture, and shine with Briogeo's Rosarco Milk Spray infused with the signature blend of ultra nourishing rosehip argan and coconut oils. The spray works to detangle wet hair and protects against heat while locking in moisture, restoring luster, and diminishing frizz. And this one retails for $12. I know this is a smaller size. I know they usually sell like the bigger one, but this is going to be great to try out on days that maybe I don't want to wear my hair straight. So we'll see how that works. It smells really nice, so I'm excited to try this out on days that I don't want to do anything to my hair, or maybe even use it on days that I do straighten my hair, because it does have a heat protectant. So that's cool, and I'm excited to try that. Then last but not least, we got this here, and these are some sheet masks by Tatcha. So that's very exciting because I've never tried anything by Tatcha. This is the Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask. It's a 2-pack, and it says nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 ml of skin quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restore skin's health and radiance. And this one retails for $24. Tatcha is a pretty expensive brand, so that's exciting that this comes included, so that way I can try it out. I love sheet masks. That's pretty much all I use now. I don't usually use like clay masks, so that's exciting to have this included, because otherwise I would have never paid $22 for this. But this itself makes the box, because the box is $21, so that's another reason why I like Boxycharm. Alright, so the overall value of the box is going to be $110 for the month of January, so that's a really good value. Again, you only pay $21 and you get to try out products that you probably otherwise wouldn't yourself, because I know myself, I wouldn't pay such expensive prices for a lot of these things. Again, if you guys are interested in the box, I'll leave a link below if you guys want to go ahead and sign up yourselves. If you guys already are signed up, let me know what you guys received and what you guys thought about the box, if you guys liked it or not. But other than that, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, I would appreciate if you would do so. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.